US Highway 2 right now. Just coming up on the mall lights near Havre. So if you're from Havre, you're familiar with where that is. It's about 8 o'clock on February 4th, Super Bowl Sunday. We have limited visibility. It's probably down to a city block or less, so definitely lower than a quarter of a mile. The snow is so heavy, it sounds like heavy rain almost hitting the windshield. We're going relatively slow. Snowplows are not out. MDT, we're going past the MDT headquarters right now. The roads have thick snow on them. They're snow covered, they're icy, they're super dangerous. And as you can see, the visibility is completely down. There is nobody at the MDT headquarters right now, so it's obvious they're not plowing yet. And who knows if they will. But we can't even see. Normally you can see down into town from here. I can't see very far in front of me at all. And we were actually experiencing on the way out here near whiteout conditions with the blowing snow. The winds are out of the east, so it's blowing pretty good and reducing our visibility. So we're going to head down into Havre here and we're going to see what it's looking like here. We're obviously driving very carefully and slow. So we're going to be cautious. There is some traffic out, not a lot. But there are areas where the snow is very thick on the highway and on the roadway. So we're going to just drive through town here and shoot some video. And we'll update as necessary. So we're on 5th Avenue now. This is one of the main arterials here in Havre. And same story. We have visibility that's maybe less than 2 city blocks. So that's definitely less than a quarter of a mile. I would imagine on the highways, for sure, there's got to be severe driving conditions. We're noticing a lot of people not clearing off snow off their vehicles. Of course, as you're driving, it builds up on the back, so your taillights get obstructed, which just happens in this type of weather. So that makes driving difficult. You come up on people. But we're going to head towards the south side of city limits here. And we're coming up on the hospital hill, which is usually closed in this type of weather, but it doesn't look like it is yet. The sensor is not working though for that car. Oh, there's somebody's coming. You can see the thick snow in the street here too. Like this is in the center turn lane, which you can't see right now. There's from the previous snow and the snow that's occurring now, at least a foot of snow there. So we're gonna wrap it up from here, and hopefully everybody stays safe tonight. Not a lot of traffic, and hopefully it just stays that way. It seems like this is gonna last for quite a while, so stay safe, and we'll see you later.